So I got off the water taxi at the Asoke Pier and now I'm lost. I ended up in the middle of, it's either a high school or a college. I think this is the agricultural department back here. But I asked one guy, where's Asoke? And he pointed this way. So I know I'm close to not being lost. But sometimes it's okay just to wander around and see what you find. I think I'm in Chris's from Retired Working For You neck of the woods. I know he lived over here at Asoke. I remember him running around this grass area, and I remember that statue. So I got to be getting close to finding out where I am. International College for Sustainability. I'm definitely on campus. Some people taking advantage of the nice running track. All right, I found out where I am, and I'm not even going to try to pronounce that university. Learning University for Society. This running track they have, it feels like carpet or cork or something. It's nice and cushiony. Nice on the feet. Here's the Faculty of Education. Yeah, they must also have a high school attached with the college, because I definitely saw some younger kids, not college age, but they're all pouring in. It's I don't think it's quite 9 o'clock in the morning, so everybody's heading to class. Beautiful day. Here's the exits. I don't know where I got on that river taxi. I think it dropped me over here somewhere, but that river taxi at the Asoke station just poured directly into the backside of the campus. Okay, I think I know where I am now, but it's nice just to wander around and see a couple of new streets. See a big banner off in the distance, says it's the 73rd anniversary of the university, and it's 10 to 9 in the morning. The Asoke area is full of, here's the Swooch Hotel and service apartments. It's gonna be all high rises, more top dollar, this Asoke area, although lately it's really not much more than other parts of Bangkok. You can get some amazing deals to be right here in the, I guess this would be more the downtown, considered central downtown area of Bangkok, corner of the Asoke area and the BTS. You got the MRT, BTS all coming together there, and the airport link is right here, and the Phetchaburi is not far from here. Is it Phetchaburi? Yeah, Phetchaburi is you can catch the airport train. I'm still in the university area, but I still really haven't got my boundaries. I mean, I wander 6 blocks off the BTS and I'm lost. So I'm just walking. I'm not sure which direction. Taking a look. I think I figured out where I was going. I was on the water taxi back here, and I know that's the canal there. So theoretically, if I walk this way, I should hit the BTS in 6 blocks. If not, no big deal. I'll find a new area to check out. Yeah, this is definitely a fancier, upscale part of Bangkok, Asoke. High-end restaurants and hotels, and expensive apartments. These guys with the flags are interesting. They'll jump out in front of traffic and try to stop it to get one of their customers on their way. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. You got all kinds of street food going on in there. People heading to work or heading to class. corn. Here's the Emirates office. It's a great airline. A lot of coffee stands. A lot of food. I'm sure this is all packed with students and office workers at lunchtime. Ooh, the rare crosswalk in Bangkok. I believe they have a crossing guard. Otherwise, nobody will stop for a crosswalk. I don't see them. Usually they walk out and put a sign down, a stop sign. This is a little bit more of a free-for-all. Cafe Amazon, kind of a more affordable Starbucks coffee place. KFC, Office Mate, 7-Eleven. Up here in this large office complex. And across the way I see looks like a movie theater. Texas Chicken. We're at the Midtown Asoke building. It's probably a little after 9 in the morning. It's definitely hotter. I've been wandering around an hour and a half or so, and its temperature has gone up 15 degrees easy. Condos. This Asoke area, right in the middle of Bangkok. It's definitely a New York, it's definitely a New York City vibe, traffic-wise, and just hustle and bustle, which I like. But it's also going to come at a premium, apartment cost-wise. Yeah, if you get anywhere next to this rail, there'll be a motorcycle right here, so you'll just watch yourself. And the sidewalks are another good option. battery man. So this is a rare walk, don't walk crosswalk that is about 95% effective. You don't have that walk, don't walk option here. You just have to kind of weave through traffic best you can. The Aquamaster Bangkok. It's like a dive shop. Beautiful diving over here. I need to get in the water. Not anywhere near Bangkok, but short $20 plane ride away. What is this? Nice. Hi. The Siam Society under the royal patronage. Motor taxi line. Okay, and I see the BTS in the background, so there's a relatively new tourist. That's how I get my bearing, and here's the MRT, the subway. BTS is the Bangkok train, MRT is the below. So up on the left, kind of almost under the train tracks, is the Soy Cowboy, famous night spot. It's about 9:30 now. It's getting pretty hot. Time to get a little breakfast, head home, turn on the AC, head back out when the sun goes down. Royal Pizza. I have a monk coming up, so I'm going to turn the camera and then off This little alley right here is the Soy Cowboy. Las Colinas. Not sure if it's condos or a hotel. The Pullman. That exchange tower building over there right at the Asoke BTS station. I went to Siam Legal to get a little help in opening my Thai bank account. It's not easy, but for I think it was 5,000 baht, $100, they sent me here to Exchange Tower and the Bangkok Bank branch below, and magically it was opened in 10 or 20 minutes. This guy just came racing down the sidewalk. Yeah, I guess you gotta watch your back. So that was a walk down Asoke Monterey Road from the water taxi Asoke stop. Went through the university, got a little lost, but made my way to the main drag here. If I'm pronouncing it right, I know it's Asoke, but Asoke Monterey Road. And now we're up to the BTS and Terminal 21. Everybody, even basic tourists, know this area, the Asoke BTS stop, Terminal 21, and where you get the MRT. But we walked, I don't know, 2 miles from the water taxi, maybe it's less, through the university and up the way. That's an expensive car in Thailand. Gonna attempt to walk across the road here. All right, we got a green light. Let's see who honors it. I'll get on the other side of these folks.